As to the charge of first-degree murder, verdict as to count 1, we, the jury, find the defendant not guilty. As to the charge of aggravated child abuse, verdict as to count 2, we, the jury, find the defendant not guilty. As to the charge of aggravated manslaughter of a child, verdict as to count 3, we, the jury, find the defendant not guilty.
Casey Marie Anthony, the jury of your peers, having found you not guilty as to the charge contained in count 1 of the indictment, murder in the first degree, at this time I will adjudge you to be not guilty. This court is in recess.
I'm in total shock. I mean, everything that's happened, it's basically like you almost have to film and watch somebody commit a crime and have it on video for something that happened today. You know, it's just disturbing.
I don't know if they're watching the same thing we were. It's just shocking. I don't know. It's just, I don't watch anything like this, but it's the little girl. It's just wrong.
This is disgusting. Baby, what about her? Would you like to be in a trunk with tape on your mouth? Who else could put that baby in that trunk? She had the car key. Who put that baby in that car?
While we're happy for Casey, there are no winners in this case. Kaylee has passed on far, far too soon. And what my driving force has been for the last 3 years has been always to make sure that there has been justice for Kaylee and Casey. Because Casey did not murder Kaylee. It's that simple. And today, our system of justice has not dishonored her memory by a false conviction.
Well, I hope that this is a lesson to those of you who have indulged in media assassination for 3 years, bias and prejudice and incompetent talking heads saying what would be and how to be. I'm disgusted by some of the lawyers that have done this, and I can tell you that my colleagues from coast to coast and border to border have condemned this whole process of lawyers getting on television and talking about cases that they don't know a damn thing about and don't have the experience to back up their words or the law to do it. Now you've learned a lesson.
As the verdict has been rendered, we ask our community to respect the decision the jury and court have made today. In doing so, we ask for your continued peaceful acknowledgement of that verdict.
We're disappointed with the verdict today and surprised because we know the facts and we put in absolutely every piece of evidence that existed. Our team did an exemplary job. I'm proud of them and I stand by their work. I never ever criticize a jury. Theirs is the task of deciding what to believe.